Hello, welcome back to another show from Dine's Kitchen Cooking Channel. Well, today I'll be preparing a whole wheat corn bread. This whole wheat corn bread is very nutritious because whole wheat and cornmeal is packed with a lot of fiber. So here we go. In this bowl, we have 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour. To this, I will add 2.5 cups of cornmeal. Two, and this is a half. Then 1 teaspoon of salt, sea salt, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and then we combine. So we'll prepare the liquid mixture. To 1 cup of room temperature lukewarm water, we will add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, so that the bread can have a little moisture. We mix this. And then we'll add this to the dry mixture. So we'll pour some and combine. Pour again. your dough. So you knead the dough for about 4 minutes. Right. Right. So you form your dough. In a airtight container, and this is where you're going to put your dough to rise. You will add a little oil to it to prevent it from sticking, so it moves freely on your hand. Just a little tip of oil. Right? So you form the dough. You knead the dough. You form it. And you put it there in the container. And you allow it to rise. This will take about an hour. So you put this, depends on the temperature. So you can leave this on your counter and allow it to rise. So we'll be back in the next hour. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the videos. Also, I need to hear from you, so comment on the videos. See you in the next hour. Now that the dough has risen, we are going to fold it to get out some of the air from out of it. So in a grease baking dish, we're going to put this dough. So we'll put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and allow it to bake for 40 minutes. We'll be right back. Hey, so my wheat cornbread is baked and I remove it from the container. Yes. Lovely. There you go. So I want you to try this. Whole wheat cornbread. Delicious, nutritious for your body. Let your food be your medicine and your medicine your food. Thanks for your support, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. See you in my next video. One love.